Okay, this is CJ, property manager. We're back with Justin to get the prep of painting a typical rental here in the Denver metro area. Justin,
Hi,
take
I'm
it away.
Justin Wong, and here at Color World, we begin all of our preparation processes for exterior painting with an initial pressure washing. We will pressure wash all of the surfaces to be painted, and we'll definitely fully let the surfaces dry out prior to continuing any surface prep. And the next step would be scraping any areas of loose paint. We use scrapers as well as a wire brush and hand scrape any loose paint off, and then also sand down where the loose paint originally was, so you just don't end up with that cratered look. And then once all that loose paint is scraped up, there is definitely going to be some areas of bare wood, which we then spot prime. We spot prime that bare wood so that we end up with that even color and good adhesion to the surface.
And let's show us what you mean by that. Looking at this rough surface.
Looking at this rough surface, we can see that there's some peeling going on here. So this surface I probably would actually recommend replacing, but there are some cheaper alternatives, such as putting caulk over the surface and then painting over that and kind of encapsulating that, and then at least the paint would have a smooth surface to adhere to. But what we would do here, see, we're missing some caulk right here, and then we can see some areas of bare wood, so it does not look like this surface was properly primed prior to applying the top coat.
Okay. So this is CJ, property manager. So these are the things that our team members as property managers see and evaluate and recommend to keep properties in better shape. Because when a repair is done, it stops further maintenance problems, and that's what we recommend to our landlords, to keep their properties, their assets of high value. So we're going to be looking at more of this property with Justin of Color World, and we'll be back with more. Thank you.